Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video.
I don't think he'll be cycling on this road again.
No need to check your mirrors, right? Imagine if a bike rider was behind this truck when this happened.
Who's at fault here?
Why did this driver shout at me after making an illegal turn? I guess she was on her phone.
A few moments later.
This is so scary. Hopefully no one got hurt. Can anyone help him learn how to drive properly on the road? This driver fails to yield at a dead traffic light and cuts off a cop. Let's see how this turns out. I'm trying to leave my apartment to help recover my buddy's vehicle during Tropical Storm Debbie. What is the device in this guy's hand, and what is he trying to do to my car? This driver almost crashes into me while I'm trying to park and then blocks traffic to confront me for blocking traffic. This garbage truck tire fragment shattered our windshield. This is why we bought this dash cam. Stopping at a red light is optional these days, right? This idiot who wanted to follow me for no reason.
Twenty minutes later.
This idiot doesn't know what a safe following distance is. I guess he drives wherever he wants.
Oh, Jesus Christ, you fucking idiot!
Every single day, someone runs a light like this. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.